2019 elections. Police, civil defense demand N317m to feed dogs. Horses. Security operatives are demanding millions of naira to feed security animals to make them more operational. The Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps will need N310m to feed and administer drugs to dogs that will be deployed in states for the 2019 elections. The Nigeria Police Force will also require N7m to feed 50 horses that would be used for patrol during the elections, which will take place between February 16 and March 2, 2019. The information is contained in the 2018 Environment Proposal sent to the National Assembly for the 2019 general election by President Muhammadu Buhari. File photo. The total police budget for the elections stands at N30.5 billion. The Office of the National Security Advisor, N4.2 billion. The Department of State Services, N12.2 billion. NSCDC, N3.5 billion, and the Nigeria Immigration Service, N2.6 billion. Buhari, in a letter he wrote to the National Assembly on Tuesday, requested a total environment of N228.8 billion, largely allocated to new projects, inserted in the 2018 by the National Assembly to offset part of the proposed cost of funding the 2019 general elections. The balance of N242 billion needed to fund the 2019 elections will be captured in next year's budget. According to the details of the 2018 Environment Request the President submitted to the National Assembly, the NSCDC needs N1.2 billion this year to prepare for the elections. The Environment Request reads, medical and general expenses for dogs, N143,782,000, feeding of dogs, N166,315,000. Hiring of speedboats, N499,500,000, welfare packages, contingency of N7,000 per state and FCT, N259m, accommodation allowances for monitors, N185 million. According to the environment document, police election budget this year stands at N679m, with N7.7m earmarked for feeding of horses and N100m for printing of non-security materials. The police also asked for N87.5m for the maintenance of aircraft and N407m for maintenance of the vehicles to be used for election monitoring. The budget states in part, feeding of 50 horses, N7, 719, 454, maintenance of existing vehicles for 2019 elections for the period of 20 days, N407, 400,000. Think your friend would be interested? Share this story using any of the share button below. Down arrow, place your text advert below, greater than 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 loading. Share your story with us via email, info@247nigerianewsupdate.co. Received news via our WhatsApp, kindly text 234,701-056-0394 to add you. Click here to join us on our YouTube channel. For news update, click here to join us on Twitter for instant news update, at 247NGNEWSUPDAT. Click here to join millions around the globe to read news on our Facebook fan page. For instant updates on Instagram, click here. Receive instant news update via our BBM broadcast D3DEFDF.